Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to learn
Chapter 6, The Car Driver, Part 3. Okay, let's see what happened in this part of the story. Traveler 1 says, "Look, the bullocks are back. They look fresh, don't they?" Traveler 1 says, "Now let us yoke them to the cart." Now, as you can see in the picture, children, the bullocks are back and they are looking fresh. Why? Because they went and they had water, they had grass, and now they are very fresh. And what do you mean by yoke? To tie a special piece of wood around the neck or on the shoulders of two animals so that they can work together. That is tying on the cart. Okay. Now what happened? The cart driver yokes the bullocks to the empty cart. Now you can see the bullocks are yoked to the cart. And Traveler 1 says, "Now let's push the wheels and the cart from behind. Tell your bullocks to pull hard." Cart driver says, Hey, pull well Bhola, pull well Ranja." So now what did the travelers do? They had tied the bullocks to the cart, and Traveler says that we will push the cart from behind and ask your bullocks to pull it from the front side so that the cart will come out of the mud. You remember the cart got stuck in the mud and they are trying to pull it out of the mud. And so what did the cart driver say? Hey, pull well Bhola, pull well Ranja. Now Bhola and Ranja are the names of the bullocks, and cart driver is talking to them and saying that pull it hard. The men gave a great push and the bullocks pull hard. Soon the wheels are out of the mud. Now they were trying to pull the cart out of the mud. So the bullocks pulled the cart from the front side, and the travelers and the cart driver pushed the cart from the back, and very soon the cart was out of the mud. And then Traveler 2 says, "Look, bullocks are running off with the cart." Cart driver says, he laughed and said, "Wait." Traveler 1 says, "Now let us load your cart again." Now what is going on there? While traveling, so the traveler said that they are running. They are running with the cart. And the cart driver became happy and he said, "Wait." He said wait to the bullocks. And why he was happy? He was very happy because his cart was out of the mud now. Okay. And what did the traveler suggested? "Now let us load your cart again." Because before the cart was out of the mud, they have to empty the cart so that they can pull the cart out of the mud. And now again, when the cart is out of the mud, they have to load the cart again. The cart driver and the two travelers put the bundles back into the cart, one by one. After an hour, half an hour, the cart is full again. Now as you can see in the picture, children, the cart is full of the bundles. They put the load back to the cart. The cart drivers were happy. "Thank you very much. What can I do for you in return of all your help?" Now, you remember, children, at the starting of the story, the cart driver was weeping. Why? Because he was not able to pull the cart out. And now when the cart is out and the load is back into the cart, he is very happy. Who is happy? The cart driver. And so he wants to thank the travelers, and he asked that what can I do for you all in return? Traveler 2 says, "Just remember this. If we work hard and if we work together, we can do a difficult task easily. So the cart traveler is explaining him that this was a very difficult task, but why it happened? Because we all came together and we worked hard for it, and so the difficult task became easy and your cart is out of the mud now. Let's go to the word meanings, children. Yoke, as I already told you, to tie a special piece of wood around the neck or on the shoulders of two animals so that they can work together. Second one, load. Put something on a vehicle to send it somewhere. That is to take it from one place to another. In return for, to thank someone for doing something. The traveler had helped the car driver, so the car driver wanted to do something in return. Okay? Task, that is work. Fresh, not tired. And the last one is empty. Empty means containing nothing. Okay? So this was all for today, children. Thank you.